What's up, guys? Sam James here at Barprints.co, here with David Landrum from 2 James. How you doing, David?
Doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing awesome. How's
surviving the show?
I am surviving the show. I'm a little upset that Andreas, wherever he is, did not have a bottle of Grass Widow for me, but we'll work that out.
Okay.
How's the show been for you?
Been really good. First 2 days we had really good interest. Day 3 is always a little bit of a party. People are winding down. So, but yeah, it's been a great show.
Awesome. So tell everybody a little bit about 2 James. How did you get started? What do you guys have to offer?
So 2 James was my brainchild. About 14 years in the industry, being a bartender and a buyer. And it's named after my father and my grandfather, both named James, and this is like a tribute to them. So, I really wanted to showcase a small batch craft spirit from Detroit, where I'm from. So we have a very large line because we actually have a bar on site too, so we can build everything with the ingredients that we make. We have 13 SKUs right now, and then some really small stuff that we play around with at home, but 13 SKUs in the market. We have 4 different whiskeys, 2 gins, an absinthe, a mezcal, a rum.
Oh, nice.
So we're all across the board. It comes from the bartender side of things, so I like to keep my spirits higher, so they're really good mixers. So you're going to find most of our stuff 90 to 100 proof.
Nice.
All of our whiskey now at this stage is large format, so we didn't do any small format barrels, and everything is at least 5 years old. So we're really proud of that. From a small producer, that's really hard to get to that point where you're building all this inventory, but you can't sell it. You have to sit on it.
Yeah.
So we're one of the few in my region that has done it that way, and so now this is our 7th year in the business, and it's been going great.
That's awesome, man. I'm happy to hear it. Congratulations on all the success. I'm a huge fan, especially of the Grass Widow. So what markets are you available right now? Obviously, you're based out of Detroit, so you're making your way through the U.S.
Yep.
Are you
14 states in the U.S.?
Okay.
We have some distribution in Canada, in Mexico, and a little bit in Italy. We have some, we came to the show to get international distribution, so we're really looking forward to the contacts we made in the UK on this trip specific.
Excellent.
So we're hoping to be in that market soon, and and then the rest of the EU, hopefully.
No, that's awesome. So aside from distribution, what's next for 2 James? Any new SKUs? I'm assuming the show went really well because you guys have an amazing product.
Thanks.
So I'm assuming I'll be seeing you on liquor counters soon here in Germany or possibly in the UK.
Yeah, I hope so. We're always playing around, so we have a couple small American single malts. So we're using beer malted, basically like beer recipes to produce whiskeys. So we're really excited for what's going to happen with that. Obviously, they're not ready yet. And then we are on a company level. We're opening a new a bar across the street from my current distillery. So it's going to be we'll have a production part of it, and then we'll have a restaurant, a bar, and hospitality suites. So when you come visit me,
absolutely,
you can stay upstairs.
You know it, brother. Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, it sounds awesome. Well, thank you for your time. I definitely appreciate it.
Thanks.
Tell everybody where they can find 2 James on Instagram and online if they want more information.
Sure. So hashtag 2James, spelled out TWOJAMES, www.2james.com. Look for us on Facebook, Instagram, and all the normal social media outlets.
At 2 James on these platforms.
At 2 James. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for your time, David.
Thanks,
appreciate it, brother.
Yeah.
Always a pleasure seeing you.
Soon.
All right. Cheers, everybody.